What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna just do a little unboxing of our July Glovebox Detail monthly subscription. Glovebox Detail monthly subscription. It's awesome. There's so many words, so many different things, so many feelings, so many emotions. Again, like always, I pride myself on not spoiling the surprise. I'm not told ahead of time. I don't know what some of you think, but I try to keep it magical. It's a magical time, okay? It's almost like going to Disneyland. I know some adults like that. Let's see. Let's see what we got going on here. First thing that pops up is the House of Rags. Almost dropped all my stuff. So this is the detailing brush. Boar hair detailing brush kit. Kit means multiple. I like that. Ooh, purple. Delicious. Let's see what these are all about. Don't you love this? I don't know about you, but it's like... this looks like a pecker. And it's like... uncover it. You know when you're like, oh man, fuck it, I don't want to leave the condom on. Last couple strokes, let's just go au naturel. Defeats the whole purpose. Don't do that. Bad advice. Bad advice. I like this. You know, what I do like is a clean logo. That is a pretty clean logo. I do like that logo. I am going to be honest with you. I do not like the period at the end of Pan the Organizer's bottle. I think I do have something. Anyway, I just ordered from the House of Rags. I got a couple things coming because they're one of the only places that I could get garage therapy products. So there's some of those products coming, a couple other different things coming, so I could actually get some hands-on experience with them. Also, excuse the voice. I'm trying to push through this. This is like the last day of me being sick. So I was either going to have this box sit here for multiple days or open the damn thing and just suck it up buttercup. So I decided to take the high road. And now I'm sitting here holding two purple Boar's hair brushes. I like it. So this is what we got. Boar's hair, really good. It's got a little bit more of a cleaning presence than the soft makeup brushes that some of these like influencers, these cool people like to use. I'm not a big fan of influencer brushes. I have them because a lot of them came in packs for some reason. They just keep tossing it. I'm not putting makeup on. This is the thing I would like. So there's a lot of uses that could come from this. I enjoy these brushes, and I like that there are different sizes. Just from glancing down at this box before I pull anything out, I can tell you right now it is a themed box. So I guess we might as well just spoil the surprise and just pull this bad boy out right here. As always, you can do your little phone scan on it if you want to be part of the action. I don't need to actually do that because I know that this is going to be a Detail Co. sponsored box. So I'm going to pull out what came out first. So this is the first thing that popped out, and this is high pH soap. Hard wash, baby. High pH soap designed to be used with a foam cannon to decontaminate the surface, removing bugs and road grime. Add a 10:1 dilution to your foam cannon. Foam and then rinse. So this, if you're not aware, Detail Co. is a brand started by Eddie and Jamie the Cleaner and EC Details. So just actual detailers started this company, and they also own and run the House of Rags, I believe, with Pan the Organizer. He's involved. They're all involved. That cap could not have gone any further. If there wasn't the garage door, it would have gone further. And if this was a little bit more of a forceful thing, because it rolled with such velocity down on the floor as a way for me to get my lard ass up off the chair, it probably would have put a hole in my door. That's how far and fast that thing just went. And it's probably gone forever because I don't think I'm getting up again. Pleasant smell, high pH soap. So obviously this is going to be one of those like active type soaps. You're going to spray, let it dwell, and get that bad boy off as a way to start doing your initial pre-rinse. I don't want to have to get up for that cap. That cap is potentially long gone. Depending on where it went, it's probably got a spider in it by now. Well, let's pull this one out. This catches my attention. Wow, okay. Whoa. Hold on. Hey, this is the bottle. And, you know what I will say? My only critique is the colors for the words on the bottle. They're just, I know that we wanted a clean bottle, but the colors, the choice of colors could have been better, because it's, you know, it just, like, from a distance, you know, like when you look at a certain brand, a certain bottle, and they just got that like, you could spot it, you know what I mean? Like from a distance, I can see it. Even though I'm not a fan of DIY Detail, their logo and their bottles, from a distance, you can see. Ammo's a big example of this. This mofo probably couldn't have fit a bigger word of ammo on the bottle, and that's what he did. It's brand recognition. In my opinion, when you've got people like me that are unboxing, or people like me that are using products, and you have people like me that are filming, and you have a product like this, you want something with big, bold letters, colors that pop, colors that stand out against the bottle, because up close I can see this, right? But now, from a distance, it's like, it doesn't command the attention, you know what I mean? It's kind of like it's gonna blend in with the crowd back there. We don't want to blend in with the crowd. We want to stand out from the crowd. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's not the most amazing part about this. So this product is actually called the Bugs Dirt Exterior, and they had, which one of you did it? Which one of you had the audacity, the cojones, to say BDE? Big dick energy on the bottle? Goddamn. Goddamn. This is what we doing? I like it. You just come right out and say it. I got the big dick energy, and unfolds. Just rolls right out there. Smells good. It's a clean smell. It's not like a super chemically smell. Definitely good. Solution for all your exterior needs. This powerful citrus degreaser cleans tires, removes bugs, and can even soften tar. So this is good. I like this. Gives you dilution ratios on the bottle, simple to the point. What I will say is, every other bottle I've ever seen, small critique, and I don't know the legality of this, every other bottle I've ever seen has made it a point to put like warning labels on things. I don't know if like you should do that, because if some dumb fuck decides to drink this and it doesn't say to not drink this, are we in for a big situation here? That's all I'm saying. Like, let's see here. This product does not contain harmful material. Always practice safety. Wear protection gloves. Dispose responsibly. Store in a cool place. It says we're only responsible if you use this as directed. We're not responsible for misuse or mishandling. You know what I mean? Keep out of reach of children and animals. So basically, what I was always under the impression of, and again, I could be wrong, I'm wrong often, but I was always under the impression that you need to treat your consumer base as if they have no frontal lobe. You have to, because you're either going to get someone that truly doesn't understand and is kind of like a little bit naive to things and could possibly drink something that smells. I smell good detailing products all the time. You never know. Somebody could just pop one open and just chug that shit. It's possible. I've talked with people on Instagram that I've 100% in my heart felt like they've taken a swig of some shit that I've told them to buy. It's totally possible. Totally possible. Not judging. Do whatever you want, as long as you're okay. What is that noise? As long as you're okay and you're still alive, I'm all about it. Whatever. If that's what gets you. There's people eating hair. Pull that shit off their head and they eat it. I saw a TV show about that one time. But you gotta be careful. I've sniffed products, legitimately smelt like a drink I would drink. You know, so it's teetering on the borderline. There's just all of this room that you could put a warning, and I would. And the other thing is, like, you see how that pops? That white color for this would look tits. It would. It just, I think, you keep the color scheme. The color scheme is cool. You turn the letters, this white. Like, made in USA is white. That pops out. That stands out to me. So when I pull up this bottle, let me pull the one that has the cap that didn't roll off into infinity and beyond, Buzz Lightyear. I got this, right? I'm sitting here and I'm like looking at it, made in USA, the barcode and this. That's what stands out, and the cap. These are the most things that stand out to me. Like I see the color, I see the product color, but like I would have to search, I did have to like, Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? Looking for this, and Bugs Dirt exterior. Like I want this shit to pop. You know what I'm saying? If you're actually sitting there and you're formulating this thing, god damn, dude, child-proof? OCD-proof? What am I gotta hit? I gotta start lifting again. Again, I do like this smell. Cool. Rant, as always. What are we doing? Last product. Wow, this is, again, a whole lot of one color here. Interior clean. Sword. Man, you just hit us with Big Dick Energy and Sword in the same box. What are you doing? What are we doing right now? This is like turning into a porno here. Check out my Sword. Big Dick Energy. Whoa! Hard wash, Sword, Big Dick Energy? This is a porno. We're in a porno right now. What am I not realizing what's happening right now? And the purple dildos? With the condom socks? This is getting demonetized 2 seconds after I post it. What is happening right now? What are we doing? Holy shit. What does the Sword smell like? I don't want to know what your fucking Sword smells like. What are we doing right now? The Sword smells good. God, you're gonna hard wash that Sword so you can give her some Big Dick Energy. Is that what's happening right now? Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay, these are good. And I like that they're white again, because they're gonna pop off the bottles. You know what I mean? They're gonna... These fucking caps don't wanna open for me, dude. These things are gonna like make a nice pop off the bottle. Like that's a nice looking bottle. So maybe, yeah, you want to keep certain things white. Maybe not white because the white's there already, but something else. Like I don't know, man. You got a lot of potential between going with black and white colors on here. This is just like, it's so subtle. I guess because what you're doing, I see what you're doing. Do I agree with it? Not necessarily. But who the hell am I? I'm just saying. I'm just tossing my 2 cents probably where they don't belong, but I'm just saying. This is a porno, right? What the fuck goes on here? What is this? Somebody gets me demonetized and all $5 I make on my YouTube channel, somebody's gonna reimburse me. You know what else is kind of good though? The cap that just rolled away. And put that different one right on that bad boy. Because I told you, I don't think I'm ever gonna find that. Yeah, it's gone. And the last thing, we got a microfiber. A Microfiber. Let's see. Whoa, just got hit with Big Bird. It's good. Plush, short nap, doing the damn thing. I like when we're sent microfiber towels that have both options. So I like when it got the grabbier, longer nap. Not too long. I'm not a huge fan. If you've followed me in the past, you know the really long pile type stuff. I'm not a big fan of that. I like a medium nap, and I like the short nap. So it's my option. I get to choose. Especially, you know, nowadays, things lint. I'm not a big fan of it. I know everybody's like, oh, pre-wash your towels, pre-wash your towels. How many times I've pre-washed towels and it's still leaving Big Bird schmegma all over my car? It's not it. Or you get a blue one and they call it Cookie Monster and it looks like Cookie Monster legit bukkakied all over my freaking door. I don't want to hear it. Oh, pre-wash. It's going to fix all of the things that everybody doesn't really love about that towel. Oh, but it's so soft. It's so soft, but then you're going to spend about 70,000 minutes wiping off all the blue pubic hairs off of it. Not it. Tag, not it. Anyway, that's it. We got some good products. It's a Detail Co. takeover. We've got quite the porno. Definitely go consider this box. Definitely go consider a Glovebox Detail subscription in general. You almost always get extremely more value than what you're paying. It's very rare that you're going to get a box where I don't feel like you're going to have something that you're going to want to use or at least try out. These are new kids on the block, so nobody really has a lot of experience with this product, right? I do have to say, though, I do have some product coming from Detail Co., so I can do a little bit more testing and check things out. But how are you supposed to know if you like something or hate something unless you try it? So now I get to go mess around with spraying their Sword all over my interior. I get to try that out. I've got a nice pre-foam set up here with this high pH soap, and I got big dick energy for the exterior. Am I blurring out dick? I don't think I'm gonna do it. Got a lot of that BDE. Got a lot of it. It's floating around. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. And I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. If you did miss it before, pull out your phone. Unless you're on your phone, then that definitely sucks. You're not going to be able to do that. Close your eyes. Imagine. Maybe you did it. Maybe you didn't. Who really cares? I've got a sword, and I'm going to smack it with my other sword. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hi, I'm Big Dick Energy. I'm the Little Dick Energy. Big Dick Energy. Oh, I'm bigger than you. I'm going to hard wash your BDE. My sword's coming. My sword's dirty. Gotta hard wash that too. I'm the king.